How to find math lessons in Khan Academy. If you have been using the Khan Academy application and wondering on how to find the math lessons on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to find the lessons of the math, tap on to Explore button. Just right here, select it. Then here you can find the math just right here at the top. Now simply select it. Then here you can find the maths lessons and courses from early math review, kindergarten 1, 2, 3 grade from until the end. Just right here. Now simply choose one, whichever you would like to study and learn, just like this. And after that, here you can find the lessons of the math of the 6th grade. Now simply tap onto one of the lessons just like this. Now from here, simply tap onto this lessons right here and simply learn it. And that's it. This is how you can find math lessons in the Khan Academy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.